This is OnePlus Ace 5 and today I'll show how you can enter the recovery mode on this device. So at the start you will need to launch the power off menu by simultaneously pressing volume up and power buttons. Now switch off the device and allow a few seconds, for it to be powered off all the way. Once it is, simultaneously press and keep holding the volume down and power buttons. And do that until you'll see the OnePlus logo on the screen, and once you do, let both of your fingers go. Now wait, I would say maybe 3 to 5 seconds at most, maybe a bit longer than that. And here is the recovery menu. All that is left to do for you is to, select the preferred language, and here it is. In order to exit the recovery menu, you can either power the device off or select the reboot device option and reboot the phone back to the system. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.